The Hemphu Mukrang Adorbar and Rasinja Song had participated in the Janajati Faith and Culture Protection Forum meet held at Laxmibai National Institute of Physical Education, Tepesia, Sonapur from 10th to 12th of September. The main objective of the meet was to discuss about the various issues related to tradition faith of the indigenous tribal communities. The conference was held with the theme Voice of Northeast and was attended by representatives of more than 70 tribes. The program was attended as chief guest by Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma. Other eminent personalities attending the program were Chairperson of National Commission for Sadul Tribe Hers Chauhan and Akhil Bharatiya Vanavasi Kalyan Ashram President Ramchandra Kharadi. Members of the Hemphu Mukrang Adorbar who attended the program included Har Singh Hanse, Mohan Singh Togbi, Horen Phangcho, Robindra Milik and Biren Hanse spoke about the various aspects of Karbi traditional faith and its challenges in this modern world. They also told the gathering about the customary laws of Karbi. Members of the Rasinja Asong, including its president Kasang Bepi and Karon Hansepi, also took part in the conference, where the two shared about the traditional that hymns or the Kachar He Alun or the song sung during that rituals. In the press meet called on Sunday evening by the HMA president Lun Se Timung, and members expressed their delight over the program, stating that it is very important to protect the traditional faiths alive, as it also forms the tribe's identity. They also talk about the need to give more place to customary laws.
So we pidun pen hada kaching wai lasun hello nilitum dak karbeng long phan la pucha kali nilitum dak 7 8 state north east atum mithang phu am thun tamane parampara pu la so tum kiklem tum phan an dak chitong no la si hala dak kaching wai ke parai la ko hello la pen ke minister badan nitum la sansi parai se alam se nitum rai alam thila polo buta dak tham la lo gi akhai sitame na tum st pu ke tok atum nang tum yong si parampara na phu pen ke klem kle ju tang tum phan la tum phan ba ke st pen pavide nai wala parai du la ke kampi phan cho ke doro sc ju tang klem ro minority tum ju tang drom klem ro la sol tum phan ba ke hata ko pas ke central so bang pas pe ji la tame atum ba ke st pen pa thanang.
It may be mentioned that Janajati Faith and Protection Forum have conducted the conference in the past as well, and Karbi have been participating in those conferences held across the nation. It was for the first time that the event was brought in northeastern part of India. Serious discussions were held to protect the traditional faith of the indigenous people of the region. Bikram Crow from Deephu, Karbi Anglong Live.